In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy fillable text boxes in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a really useful skill for anyone working with PDFs who needs to replicate form fields without having to create each one from scratch. It's both a time saver and a great way to maintain consistency in your documents. To get started, you'll first need to open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and load your PDF file. Once your document is open, you'll notice there are numerous tools available, but today we're focusing on a specific function. Direct your attention to the global toolbar at the top of the window. Here you'll find a tab labeled All Tools. Click on this tab to expand the list of options. This section includes a variety of functionalities, but for our purpose, locate and select Prepare a Form. This tool is specifically designed to help you work with interactive form fields within your PDF. Once you're in the Prepare Form mode, you'll be able to see all the interactive elements within your document highlighted. Now navigate through your form and find the text box that you wish to copy. Click on the text box with your right mouse button to open the context menu. When the menu appears, simply select the Copy option. This action will copy the selected text box to your clipboard, much like copying text in a Word document or table cells in Excel. With the text box copied, the next step is selecting the location where you'd like to paste it. Find the part of your document where this new text box is needed. You can scroll or navigate through your document to identify the ideal spot. Once you've determined the placement, right-click in that area to open another context menu. From this menu, simply choose Paste. This action will drop the copied text box into your chosen spot in exactly the same configuration as the original. It's important to note that while copying fillable text boxes is straightforward, you may want to double check that all the properties such as formatting and field names are correct in the new location. Sometimes you might need to adjust these settings to ensure that they function perfectly within the context of your form, and that's it. You can repeat these steps as many times as necessary to replicate all the fillable text boxes you need across your document. This process not only saves you time, but helps keep your document well organized and professional looking. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.